Hello, my name is Executive Chef Anthony Lauri from University of Miami, and today we're going to make some mashed cauliflower for you. The cauliflower is very good for you, very healthy, no carbs. First we have to boil the cauliflower, little florets, for around 6 minutes, which we're almost ready here now. And then we're going to add in, the other ingredients are 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese grated, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon salt, and a pinch of pepper. And we're going to get started here. First I'm going to drain the cauliflower. Make sure you drain it well. If you don't, your mash will be a little bit wet and soupy instead of stiff. So we drain it well. Put it into a separate bowl. And what we're going to do, it's very simple, is pretty much add all these ingredients. First we go with sour cream, some room temperature cream cheese, some of the Parmesan, the butter, cut in small pieces, first egg. We're going to add the slice of the garlic powder, kosher salt, and black pepper. And next, more than a couple of ways to do this, I'm going to use a stick blender today. You can get these anywhere, $10. If you don't have it, you can always use a whip, or you can use a food processor, or you can use something that you would have at your house to make mashed potatoes. But today we're going to go with this. So we're going to get in here. It smells very good already. And obviously you can blend this to any thickness you like. If you want it coarse, just leave it coarse like right about now. You see? We're going to go a little finer. We spoon it out. So as you see, it's getting pureed. If you like it a little bit coarse, you can finish it down. We're going to go a little finer. A few more seconds here. What we started out with, I forgot to mention, was about 1 pound of cauliflower, which is pretty much 1 whole head. There we go. And what we're going to do is put it into with a rubber spatula so we can get everything out. Of course, if you don't like butter or anything like that, you can use margarine. Sour cream, you can substitute things for that too. To cheese, you can always change again. It's just recipes are an open book. They're not all etched in stone. So pretty much that's it. It makes enough for 2 or 3 people.